I'm Jen from House One, and today I'm sharing 3 easy ways to conceal plywood edges for more professional looking results. Plywood is a fantastic building material, but leaving the rough edges exposed is usually less than desirable. Today I'm sharing 3 easy ways to conceal them. The first and most obvious way to cover a plywood edge is with simple wood filler. The key is to create a solid surface that can be sanded to hide the roughness of a typical plywood edge. The upside to this method is that it's inexpensive and easy. The downside is that it really only works on paint grade projects, and you'll have to put in quite a bit of sanding to get it to look just right. Another way to conceal the edge of plywood is to cover it with a solid board. For example, I can glue a 1x2 to the front edge of this piece of plywood. Once I fill and sand the joint smooth, this becomes a decent option for concealing the edge of plywood on something like, say, a shelf. The final way to finish a plywood edge is to apply a thin strip of adhesive veneer called edge banding. The product comes in a variety of wood species to match the plywood and goes on easily with a household iron. When applying the veneer, I like to start with a bit of an overhang and then apply heat and smooth with a wood block. Once it cools, trim off the excess at each end. I prefer to use a sharp pair of scissors instead of dragging a blade across the grain of the veneer. Using a utility knife, block plane, or specialty trimming tool, trim the edges. Finish with a quick sanding to get professional looking results. I hope this information was helpful. For more easy woodworking projects and tutorials, visit the House One channel on thisoldhouse.com. I'm Jenn Largesse. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you'd like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.